Hi, I am Hugo Cuevas Moore, and I have an important announcement. Monday, November 17th, 2025, the afternoon before our annual event, CrossTech World, at the Hard Rock in South Florida, we are hosting a Stablecoin Workshop for financial services executives. I'll be joined by Eric Schneider and Luther Mate, and we'll go from fundamentals to real use cases, end to end. Plus, sponsor partners will show how their solutions fit your organizations. Real solutions available now. Capacity is limited. If you register for CrossTech World, check your email as you have a discount for the workshop. Otherwise, the public rate is $300. Stablecoins and new payment rails are reshaping cross-border payments, especially settlements. Be ready. Register using the link below. I'll see you.